Hello ladies, are you ready for today's part? Today's part is about the human eye and combination of thin lenses. So for sure we're still working in the same section, thin lenses. We will start with the human eye. As you know from bio that the human eye has two lenses, cornea, and here there is also a small lens called crystalline lens. So in order to see everything around us, the light rays coming from outside will pass through the first lens, cornea. They will refract, and then they pass through the second lens and they will refract too. So here we have 2 times, refraction is 2 times. Girls, the type of these lenses is converging lens. So what do you expect? For sure the light will be bent inward, because we know that converging lens bend the light inward. Then the light will continue to the back of the eye. The back of the eye is called retina. So the retina contains light sensitive tissues. All the light rays, they will intersect here at the retina, giving us the image of everything around us. Girls, and here the image will be real. Why? Because we are using converging lenses, and we know that using converging lenses, when our object is outside Earth, the image created will be real. And we know that real images are inverted. But do we see everything around us inverted? For sure no, because this is not the end. This inverted image then will be sent to the brain, okay? And for sure the brain will adjust this image and we will see it how upright. This is the story how we see a normal image. For sure girls, now we will talk, or we will study 2 cases in which an abnormal image is formed, okay? One called myopia and the other called hyperopia. We'll talk about them. So this case, this one, it's the normal eye focus. So here the normal eye without using any eyeglasses, okay? The focus is where should it be? It should be here at the retina, okay, in order to see a normal image, not a blurred image. Okay, before we continue, let's have a look. We will continue now with the other 2 conditions, which are myopia or nearsightedness and hyperopia or farsightedness. These 2 conditions, they occur when the light is not focused properly on the retina. So girls, we said that in order to see a clear image, a normal image without using any eyeglass, okay, the normal eye focus, the image should be focused where? Here on the retina. Now, if the image is not focused here in the correct place, we have 2 conditions, either myopia or hyperopia. We will talk about them. So myopia, I can call it in another name. It has another name, which is nearsightedness. Hyperopia also has another name, which is farsightedness. Okay, in order to correct these conditions, we can use either converging or diverging lenses. Okay, we can use eyeglasses with converging lens or diverging lens, and sometimes they use eyeglasses with both converging and diverging. It depends on each person, each condition. Now, the labels farsighted and nearsighted, what do they indicate? They indicate what the eye is capable of seeing. When I say that this person is farsighted, it means that this person is able to see far things, but he's not able to see the near things. Okay? When I say that this girl is nearsighted, this means that this girl is able to see the near things, but she's not able to see the far things. Okay? So farsighted and nearsighted, they indicate what the eye is capable of seeing. Farsighted people can see better farther away, and nearsighted people can see better up close. Now we will talk about the farsightedness. Focus with me. What are the reasons that may cause the farsightedness? The most common reason is the eye of the people who has hyperopia is shorter than the normal eye. What means? So shorter eye, it means, girls, the image will not be focused on the retina, instead will be focused where? Here, behind the retina. Okay, so it's shorter, the eye, the length of the eye is shorter than the normal eye, so the image will not be created here, it will be created behind the retina. Okay, so here the far things will appear, okay, clear, but the near things will appear blurred. How to fix this problem? To fix this problem, we use eyeglasses with converging lens. Okay, we use converging lens. Converging lens, what does it do? We know that the converging lens, it bends the light inward. Okay, so the light here, the path of the light will be like shortened. Okay, and the image will be then focused in the correct place, which is the back of the retina. Okay, so hyperopia, farsightedness, we can correct it by just using what? Converging. We know that converging bends light inward, so it makes the path of the light here shorter, so it makes the image on the retina instead of being behind it. Now, what is nearsightedness or myopia? If someone is able to see the near things but is not able to see the far things, so this person has myopia. Okay, and the reason behind this myopia is usually that the eye of these people is longer than the normal eye. The length of their eye is longer than the normal eye. So the image here, instead of being focused on the retina, it will be focused where? In front of the retina. Okay, so here the near things will appear clear, but the far things will appear blurred. How to fix this problem? We can fix it by just using a diverging lens. What does the diverging lens do, girls? We know that after the light passes through diverging lens, it bends outward a little, away. Okay, so this bend caused by the diverging lens causes the path here to become longer a little, and therefore focusing the image here instead of being where? In front of the retina, and therefore seeing everything clear. Okay, so this is everything about the human eye. You have this table or this figure in your book, so please study it. It's very important. So farsighted or hyperopia, as we said, the eye is shorter than the normal, so an image formed behind. To correct it, what we want? A lens that makes this path shorter. What is the lens? The lens that makes this path shorter, it is the converging lens, so we use converging lens. Okay, so no need to only memorize. When you understand the case, you can directly expect or know the type of the lens we should use. Here, myopia, since myopia, it means nearsightedness. Okay, the person is able to see near things, not the far things, so the image is produced in front of the retina, and this because the eye is longer than the normal. Okay, so to make it normal, we need to make this path longer a little. So what do we use? Diverging or converging lens? We use diverging lens. This is everything about human eye.